Hey everyone, this is Gal and I want to show you some cool case that I found on AliExpress. This case, as the name says, it's a Nillkin case, it's a CamShield case. The idea here is that there's a slider here that can protect your cameras. It fits specifically, this one is for the Mi 10 Pro, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, but it's available for all brands, all recent phones from Oneplus, Xiaomi, Huawei, Samsung, whatever. So the case is a bit tough. I mean, it's not unlike the case that came with the Mi 10, which is a TPU, more, I don't know, not that hard. So the problem here, I think it doesn't really protect the phone that well, but it does a great job protecting cameras. You can see pretty easily. You can see it from all sides. And I'll show you how. Okay, you can see how to protect the cameras. You protect it from smudges, from your hands, all scratches, cracks, whatever. There is a locking mechanism when here, so it won't open accidentally. And on the other side too, locks on both sides. I do wish it was made at least more TPU, more, I don't know, something to absorb hits on the sides. But it's a cool idea, and the case cost around $10 on AliExpress. Free shipping. Well, I think it's a cool case. Also, pretty. That's it. Okay. See you on the next video.